Hi, I'm Bruce from Unior Bike Tools. I'm here to present you with our new disc brake piston spreader. Our disc brake piston spreader is made here in Slovenia in our laser cutting facility. It has a 30-degree bend for easier access to your pistons. It's heat treated for strength and performance, and it has a double dipped handle for ergonomic performance and wear. We use the disc brake piston spreader for recalibrating, changing pads, or bleeding brakes. Gently insert the disc brake piston spreader between the pads and push the pistons back in. Find our disc brake piston spreader on uniorbiketools.com.